15th of August 2023, and today's harvest is going to be epic. We have 2 huge hodls to harvest today, and we're going to weigh them to see which one is the heaviest. I think these hodls are going to be the heaviest ones of 2023.
And we're going to be harvesting lots of eggplants, and we'll give you a full tour of our vegetable garden. So stay with us till the end.
Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. Now, this is going to be a huge hodl. Okay, which one do you think is going to be heavy? This one or the one we're going to harvest on the other side?
Dad, I think this one's going to be the heaviest in my opinion.
How about you think this is going to be the heaviest, and I think the other one's going to be heaviest?
Okay, Dad, you got a deal.
All right, let's try this.
This is an absolute
Do you want
beast of a hodl.
to harvest this one, and I'll harvest the other one?
Yeah, since this is my one, I'll harvest this. No. Dad, you could hold the bottom.
I'll hold the bottom for you. Oh,
Oh,
that is heavy.
Does it feel heavy?
Yes.
Let me feel it.
You feel that?
Oh, it is pretty heavy, you know.
This is going to be a huge hodl. Oh, this is... okay, I'm telling you, this is heavy. This is heavy.
Oh my God, I regret my decisions, Dad.
This is going to be heavy. Give me that.
I regret my decisions. Oh. Guys, I really regret my decisions. I think this is going to be heavy.
This is going to be heavy, I think.
Oh, wow.
Let's weigh them.
Yes. Guys, before we weigh both of these hodls, we want to know what your opinions are. So on the comment section down below, let us know which hodl you guys think weighs the most.
I think this one weighs the most.
I think this one weighs the most.
All right. Do you want to weigh yours first?
Yes, there's only one way to find out, Dad.
Make sure no pushing down. 6
kilos.
This one weighs 6 kilos.
Come on, my one has to win.
Oh, can't believe it. 5.7 kilo, and this one weighs
6 kilos. My hodl won, guys.
You know why? Your one is fat.
And this
My
one's
one
a
is
little
slimmer.
bit skinnier.
Yeah, skinnier. Now, this is only one bottle gourd plant on this trellis. And mashallah, we've been getting so many hodls, bottle gourd, from this one plant alone. Now, if I have to give you one tips to get many hodls on your plant, you must hand pollinate. And this is how we hand pollinate our female flowers using male pollen. Now, this is a male flower. It doesn't have any fruit on it. A female flower would have a fruit on it. So this is a female flower. You can see it has a beautiful fruit on it. Now, using a painter's brush, soft painter's brush, take some pollen off the male flower. Rub some pollen, and then rub the pollen onto the female flower. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to harvest this bitter gourd. Akib, look, this beautiful bitter gourd.
Yeah, it's good looking.
All right,
nice
so harvest this one. So plenty of hodls.
Lots of hodls.
Now, tomatoes. We're getting lots of tomatoes. Beautiful looking tomatoes. But this is not ripened yet. Okay, so there's one more here, and I'm going to harvest this one. Okay, so beautiful looking. Oh, beautiful.
They're amazing.
It looks.
Do we have any more? Gorillas like to hide in the leaves, so
hidden behind the leaves.
Yeah. Oh.
Did you find that? Oh, another one. Yes.
Yeah.
Is that big enough?
Yeah.
Yes, you can harvest
this one. Yeah.
How about the snake goat here?
Oh yes, I'm gonna harvest this for sure.
So today we're going to be harvesting fast. It's getting dark. And look at these beautiful black chilies. I love these chilies. Getting plenty of bitter gourd.
I see one that's curling. I'm just going to chop it off.
Yes, go on. And
just going to. See, it's starting to curl.
That's a funny looking snake gourd.
Yeah.
That's a funny looking one.
Look at the colour.
Yeah.
It's like whitish.
Alright, eggplants. While you're here, do you want to harvest eggplants?
Yes, eggplants are easy to harvest, Dad.
Oh, look.
You've got so many on this plant.
Look, the amount of eggplants we have on this plant. Beautiful.
I'm just going to cut off this leaf.
Harvest all there, the big ones I keep.
Just harvest this. Oh, they're falling out, man.
Yeah. And
one more, yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, come on then.
And we'll leave the rest on the plant.
Look at the amount of chilies. Okay, any on this plant?
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, look at, they look
So many.
so many. So harvest all the long ones. Here's the ones that are curling.
They look a bit like a snake would if they were like a greenish colour, wouldn't they?
Yeah, they're trying to hang, but they're touching the ground.
Yeah.
So harvest
Oh,
them.
there's so many here for me to harvest. Look at this one. The other ones are still pretty small, Dad.
Okay, only harvest the long one, that's it.
And there's one more, I think. Yeah, one more. Yeah, that's it. Let's move from this plant.
Okay, how about this one here?
Yeah,
I
that's
think
the one
harvest
I
this
was gonna
one.
harvest.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, look at the beautiful looking chilies. Amazing, amazing chilies. So now more aubergines. Alright, you want to have
Harvest
all
all
this
two,
one?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it on this plant. We'll leave the rest on the plant for a little longer.
Beautiful looking one.
I think I'm going to harvest this one over here.
Okay then. Come on.
Let's flip it to the other side. Shall I harvest those two?
You can harvest, leave them on the plant. We have many more to harvest on this plant.
I already spotted the one I want to harvest straight away.
Okay.
This one. Oh, Dad, look at this.
This one is overgrown. This one's going to taste bitter. We should have harvested about a week ago.
Yeah.
It lost its shine and it's going to be soggy. But harvest it anyway. Make sure to harvest your aubergine in time when they're still shiny and firm.
Yeah, I think that's it for this
I
plant.
think harvest this one.
Oh, yeah.
Hang on. And this one
over
here.
yeah.
Okay, so beautiful looking chilies. Plenty of them.
Guys, every harvest our basket gets full up with aubergines. It's absolutely amazing.
Alright, so okay, let's give you an update on our Uris, flat beans. Slowly, mashallah, we're getting our flat beans. But we have to wait another couple of weeks before we can harvest them. More chilies, plenty of chilies. Beautiful looking flowers.
So many tomatoes.
Okay, so we have one more to here, okay? Lali is sleeping. By the way, this is Lali, guys. This is our cat. And stay good.
Let me harvest this one.
And
I might as well just harvest
this
this.
one's gone funny.
Yeah.
Let's go
I'm just
harvest
gonna
this one.
We got a giant
Okay.
aubergine over here.
And this one, we've left it on the plant for long. This is cracking.
It's still got a shine
It's
though.
got a crack on it.
It's still got a shine. It's nice and smooth on this side.
Yeah. Alright, good.
And so many of these white caspers, of course.
Wow, look at them. Beautiful.
They look amazing.
And they taste amazing, these ones.
Yeah.
These are the white Casper. So if you guys want to grow these, they produce a lot of fruits. Make sure to plant them in bigger, large containers, and they will produce throughout the season.
They taste good and they make your garden look good. They look amazing.
Alright, so you can have this one and this one. Oh. And this one, okay, look, beautiful round hodu.
Oh, yeah.
You want to harvest that?
Of course, Dad.
And the snake gourd, plenty. Harvest this one. I must say this year snake gourd, they're not growing to the full potential. They're not growing as big. And leave this one on the plant. We're getting plenty, but they're not growing big for some reason.
A lot of them are just started to curl up and turn into a ball.
Okay, so more tomatoes here. It's getting quite dark in here. Okay. So, do you want to harvest this eggplant?
Yeah.
And these peppers here, they're not hot chilies. These are the Turkish, what do you call them?
Turkish peppers.
Peppers for making pickles.
Yeah.
So they're not hot. Let me just try one. So we'll just try this. If it's hot, I will scream.
It might have a little kick.
It's not hot. It has that nice flavor to it, but it's not hot. So they use pickles. They make pickles with them.
Yeah. Dad, I was gonna try it.
You try one?
Yeah.
All right, you try one. Try this one.
Yeah. Bismillah, hopefully it's not hot. Yeah, it's not hot.
It's not spicy though.
Actually, a little bit. It's got the tang to it.
It's a little spicy, but it's got the tanginess.
Yeah, it's got the
and
tanginess.
sweetness to it.
It's burning my throat a little bit. It's because you can handle spice, Dad.
Okay. Here's more tomatoes. Do we have any peppers? Oh, it's peppers, yes. We have peppers. Oh, this is a pepper.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's a nice pepper. But this one is gone rotted for some reason.
Yeah, this one as well. It's been eaten up by something.
Yeah.
Let me cut it off so you guys can see it better. Something's eating it.
Yeah, it's got a hole in it. Alright. This has been an amazing harvest.
Yes.
Look at the amount of beautiful looking eggplants we have.
And look at these khodus.
The white Caspers was one of my favorite. They bring wonders to your garden. They look so pretty, don't they?
Yeah, they look amazing.
And these Bangladeshi long brinjals, they look beautiful. They look amazing and they taste good. And this is the round desi bangun, which is amazingly tasty. Beautiful looking tomatoes, snake gourds, and khodus.
Khodus, you can't forget about them.
So, fantastic harvest. Now, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Try to inspire them to grow their own vegetables.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.
Dad, this is amazing.